Welcome to Shine On Me. Today we have a lesson about the function of banks in deposits and withdrawals. I'll first go over the introduction for this lesson, which is about how banks play an important role in managing people's money. Two of the most basic and essential services banks provide are deposits and withdrawals. These functions help individuals, businesses, and governments safely store and access money when needed. Let's first cover the basics about deposits. As a definition, a deposit means placing money into a bank account. The functions of deposits include safe storage of money, which could be protection against theft, loss, or damage. And in a savings account, banks pay customers interest, which is another function of deposits. Lastly, there is liquidity, which is how deposited money can be drawn whenever it is needed. And it also ensures bank lending power because banks use deposits to provide loans to other people. Now that we know the basic definition and functions of deposits, we're lastly going to go over the different types of deposits. First, we have a savings deposits, which will help you earn interest and is easy to withdraw. Another type of deposit is a checking deposit or a current deposit, which is for daily transaction and have no interest. Lastly, there are fixed or time deposits, which is when money is blocked for a long period of time and this earns higher interest. But this lesson isn't focused just on deposits, we should also talk about withdrawals. Like we did with deposits, I'll first give a rough introduction about it. A definition is that a withdrawal means taking money out of a bank account. Its functions include, first, its access to cash. Customers can use their funds when needed through withdrawals. It also ensures flexibility in payments because money withdrawn can be used for bills, shopping, or investments and more. Lastly, it maintains trust. Through withdrawals, customers trust banks because they can get their money back anytime. There are also different ways to withdraw money from banks. First, we have ATM withdrawals, which is the basic cash machines you would see in public. There are also over-the-counter withdrawals at a bank branch, which is often done for bigger sums of money and preferred over ATMs. You can also have written checks to transfer money, and nowadays people also utilize online transfers and mobile banking for convenience. With both topics talked about, let's now cover the relationship between deposits and withdrawals. Despite being very different and almost opposite topics, deposits and withdrawals work in hand in the bank. Deposits increase the money that is available in the bank, while withdrawals decrease the balance. Altogether, it's really important for banks to balance both in order to maintain liquidity and trust. Now, this lesson may have been a little bit more concept heavy, so let's cover the key takeaways. First, deposits is when you put money into a bank. It is safe, earns interest, and it also allows loans. On the other hand, withdrawals is taking money out of the bank. It provides access to cash when it is needed. Together, these function to make banks trustworthy, useful, and central to the economy. I definitely enjoyed this lesson and I hope you feel the same, so stay tuned for more video lectures.